You can enjoy the benefits of seamless networking with dual 5G and support for 7 5G bands with the Poco X5 5G. All Indian 5G carriers are supported straight out of the box with this phone, which is designed for India. With a built-in 6nm process, the Poco X5 5G's Snapdragon 695 5G chipset and octa-core Qualcomm Cryo 660 CPU, which has a clock speed of up to 2.2 GHz, let you enjoy outstanding gaming performance. You can furthermore enjoy fast, low-latency connections that allow for streamlined efficiency and entertainment. You'll be astounded by the immersive viewing experience provided by the enormous 16.94 cm (6.67 FHD plus AMOLED display. Your navigation encounter can be incredibly smooth with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. You won't miss a thing with a full intensity of 1200 nits. Also, you can appreciate deep blacks and highly realistic colors thanks to its 4,500,000:1 contrast ratio. Moreover, the phone's display is shielded by Corning Gorilla Glass, which makes this phone extremely durable. The Poco X5 5G is not only gorgeous to look at, but it's also incredibly thin and light at just 7.98 mm and 188 grams. Also, it has an IP53 rating, meaning it can easily handle spills and dust, which makes it versatile and sustainable. Your photography skills can expand your horizons thanks to the triple camera array of the X5 5G. The 8MP ultra-wide camera allows you to encapsulate your surroundings in a simple tap, making it ideal for taking epic landscape photos and taking group selfies. Moreover, the 48MP camera captures incredible detail and bright colors in every snap, setting your social media game on fire.